Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. Alright, as you can see here, I have my Dexscreener opened on a Windows device. You can do this as well on your phone. The steps are similar. Alright, once you're in here, make sure to log in right here at the bottom left. Once logged in, just go ahead over to the gear icon besides it. Click on it. And as you can see here, there's a button called Connect Wallet. Just go ahead and click on it. And from here, as you can see, I have already installed the Phantom Wallet in my browser. Now, if you haven't yet, just go ahead and click on extensions right here, or the three horizontal lines, and go ahead over to extensions and visit Web Store. Click on it. Just go ahead and look for Phantom Wallet, hit enter, and as you can see here, click on it and hit on install to Brave, all right, or install to Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. Now, once that's done, you'll be able to see your Phantom Wallet right here. All right. Once that's done, go back to Dexscreener and you'll be able to refresh the website. All right. And again, go back to the gear icon right here at the bottom left. Click on it, connect wallet, Phantom. And as you can see, you'll be able to easily connect your Phantom wallet right here. Just hit on connect, wait for it. All right, as you can see here, verify your account. To finish connecting, you must sign a message in your wallet to verify that you are the owner of this account. You should go ahead and click on sign message. All right, the message right here, just hit on confirm, verifying. And as you can see, we have just successfully added our Phantom wallet to Dexscreener. And as you can see here, instead of our account name, you will see the ID of your Phantom wallet right here. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.